Your MacBook Neo genuinely deserves protection that doesn't hide its beautiful design, and the case market has never offered more great options. From form-fitting shells to protective sleeves, there's a perfect case for every style. I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Tech B. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The EooCoo case is the genuine best overall pick for the MacBook Neo, delivering a beautifully form-fitting hard shell that protects without adding noticeable bulk. The standout is the genuine precise form-fitting design, which snaps genuinely snugly onto your MacBook Neo's exact contours, protecting against scratches, scuffs, and minor bumps while staying genuinely slim enough that the laptop barely feels different in your bag. A real advantage for anyone who wants protection without sacrificing the MacBook Neo's sleek profile. The precise cutouts keep genuine ports, vents, and the camera fully accessible, and the matte, genuinely smooth finish feels great in hand while resisting fingerprints. The lightweight polycarbonate shell adds genuine minimal weight, and the easy snap-on installation makes fitting the case genuinely simple. EooCoo's focus on precise laptop-specific cases backs it. For MacBook Neo owners who want the genuine best overall slim form-fitting protection, the EooCoo case is the most well-rounded, most precisely fitted pick on this entire list. The EooCoo case delivers genuinely form-fitting protection that barely adds bulk to your MacBook Neo, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Slim protection, precise fit. The MOSISO MacBook Neo case is the genuine best value colorful pick, delivering reliable hard shell protection in a genuinely wide range of colors and finishes at an accessible price. The standout is the genuine combination of dependable protection and extensive color and design options, which lets you genuinely personalize your MacBook Neo's look while still protecting it from scratches and scuffs, all at a genuinely accessible price. A real advantage for anyone who wants to express personal style without a premium cost. The precise cutouts keep genuine ports and features fully accessible, and the lightweight, genuinely durable polycarbonate shell adds solid protection without much added weight. The easy snap-on design makes installation genuinely simple, and MOSISO's reputation for accessible, stylish laptop cases backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, colorful personalization with reliable protection at a friendly price, the MOSISO case is the most value-forward, most style-varied pick on this entire list. The MOSISO case delivers reliable protection in a genuinely wide range of colors at an accessible price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Colorful protection, honest price. The BlueSwan anti-crack case is the genuine maximum protection pick, engineered genuinely, specifically to prevent the cracking that can affect hard-shell laptop cases over time. The standout is the genuine anti-crack reinforced construction, which uses genuinely toughened materials and reinforced corners specifically designed to resist the cracking and splitting that lesser hard cases can develop with regular use. A real advantage for anyone who's had a case crack on them before, or wants genuine long-term durability. The precise fit protects genuine every angle of the MacBook Neo, and the cutouts keep ports and vents fully accessible. The shock-absorbing corners add genuine extra protection against drops and bumps, and the lightweight design keeps genuine bulk to a minimum, despite the reinforced construction. BlueSwan's focus on durable, crack-resistant cases backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, maximum durability and crack resistance, the BlueSwan anti-crack case is the most durable, most crack-resistant pick on this entire list. The BlueSwan anti-crack case delivers genuinely reinforced, crack-resistant protection built to last. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Built to resist cracking, genuinely. The Spigen case is the genuine trusted brand pick, bringing Spigen's renowned reputation for quality accessory engineering to a genuinely reliable, well-built MacBook Neo case. The standout is the genuine combination of Spigen's trusted engineering reputation and dependable, precise protection, which delivers genuinely reliable, everyday protection with the quality standards Spigen is known for across their entire accessory lineup. A real advantage for anyone who values a trusted, established name. The precise, genuinely form-fitting design protects against scratches and scuffs while keeping ports and features fully accessible, and the durable materials resist genuine wear over time. The clean, minimalist aesthetic complements the MacBook Neo's design genuinely well, and the easy installation makes fitting the case genuinely simple. Spigen's massive reputation for reliable, well-engineered accessories backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, trusted brand reliability and quality engineering, the Spigen case is the most trusted, most dependably engineered pick on this entire list. The Spigen case delivers genuinely trusted, reliable protection from a well-established accessory brand. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Trusted engineering, genuine reliability. Closing out the list with the HoYiXi 13.3 laptop sleeve. Worth noting up front that this is genuinely a soft carrying sleeve rather than a hard clip-on shell like the other picks, a real advantage for anyone who wants padded travel protection instead of a permanent form-fitting case. The standout is the genuine padded, protective sleeve design, which cushions your MacBook Neo against genuine bumps, scratches, and minor impacts while you're carrying it in a bag or storing it, offering a real layer of protection during transport that a hard case worn all day doesn't provide in the same way. The soft, genuinely plush interior lining protects the MacBook Neo's finish, and the durable exterior fabric resists genuine wear and water splashes. The slim profile slips genuinely easily into most bags, and the secure closure keeps your MacBook Neo genuinely snug inside. HoYiXi's focus on protective laptop sleeves backs it. For anyone who wants genuine padded travel protection rather than a permanent hard case, the HoYiXi sleeve is the most travel protective, most sleeve style pick on this entire list. The HoYiXi 13.3 laptop sleeve delivers genuinely padded travel protection for your MacBook Neo, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Padded protection, ready to travel. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right case for your MacBook Neo, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because case deals move fast. If this helped you find the right case for your MacBook Neo, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.